3, 2, 1, 0.
Hey guys, no leaking. It's very happy. There's nothing wrong with this bike. It's ready to go. Let's get it. Let's open her up a little bit. She's warm. Oh, beautiful. This thing shifts super smooth. So smooth. Did you like that? I bet you did. That probably felt pretty good, huh? Figured I'd feed you a little bit of the RPM value for a sec, let you get a taste of what it's been like to sit, and then pushed a little harder. No, I didn't catch the light though. That sucks. Yeah, this thing is it's really happy. It's a very happy bike. Very happy. Sounds incredible. For 22,000 miles, this thing sounds amazing. Sounds like it's still breaking in. That's crazy. It's running really smooth too. For a parallel twin, you barely see any shaking. Yeah, this thing just shifts so smooth. Crazy. Just crazy. I wish mine shifted this smooth. Mine's got less miles on it. Mine is just now crossed 10,000. This has 12,000 more miles than my red one does. And this one seems to be shifting smoother. It might be time to do some work to the clutch on mine. Ooh, that was a lot of wind. So I'm not going to ride too much further because we live in Florida, and as you can see, well, it's getting rain clouds really quickly. I'd like to get back before I get drenched on, if that makes any sense. I did not bring any umbrellas with me. So we're going to head back to the house. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I hope that this was a good solid video of getting one of these things up and running again, back on the road. You know, I appreciate anybody who smashes the subscribe and like button, or takes it a step further, donates a cup of coffee to the channel, or joins my membership program, or even follows me on Rumble. You know, it would be nice to see some new followers on Rumble. I think Rumble caters to the creators a little better, and the viewers as well, so I would like to see both of my platforms grow a bit. And again, varied content between both platforms. But as far as this Ninja 500R goes, this is 100% dialed in and ready to rip. It's ready for a new owner. If anybody wants to purchase this, my email address is in the link below, and I will add that. And later on, if this sells, I will put sold above the email and just remove my email, so that, again, nobody keeps reaching out after the bike sells. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video series. It was fun for me to make. I want to do more of these for you guys, and if you enjoy this type of content, you know where the like, follow, smash, subscribe, all those buttons are. Hype this video. There's actually a hype button now. Who knew? Who knew YouTube was going to allow a hype button? So I will catch you guys on the next video. This is Daniel from I Fix Shit, and we will see you in the next one. Toodles!